Where are you? I can't see. There you go. That looks a lot better behind.
Where's the bolt at?
You have to take out all that bolt behind before you can even take out this big one right here.
Yeah.
That's a pain in the butt.
Oh yeah. Come on.
What do you call that, honey? Exhaust?
Yep. Exhaust pipe.
It connects to the transmission?
Oh, it's next to the muffler in
To
the back.
the muffler. I don't know anything about car, honey.
Obviously.
That's why when you go to the repair shop, they charge
They
a
sucker
lot.
you into, oh yeah, you need a converter valve.
Yeah.
That'll be $300, please.
It's always expensive
Yes,
if the
ma'am,
woman
we
goes in there.
give you a brand new converter valve. You're good to go.
And they
Any
don't
other problems, just come on back.
Replace it. They just tell you they replace it because you don't know anything.
I can't tell if I'm on it or not. It feels like I'm on it, but okay. Okay.
Wow, that looks better now. It's connected now to this.
Now it's all stiff.
Yeah, I know. It's connected now. It's a lot better in there. Wow. Oh my God, look at that three thing. Look like a hand. Look, I can see. I can see it, honey. Whoa.
Okay, what is it?
I can't see it. It's too close. Too close, too close. I can't see it. Here, honey, I'm gonna adjust that the size
I
of
just
it.
wanted
Here.
to see
Here. Okay, there you go. Try it. Wow, look at all that guys. See how hard it is to take that out, guys? No wonder the repair shop charges a lot of money.
more bolt.
Oh, you can see the bolt in there?
To a degree, you probably be able to see it in the video if you watch the video. Better.
Yeah.
I can see it now.
Half already on. Half more. Here's the second one. Look at all this got. One's already done. This is the second one. So I'm gonna help my husband to put this same thing what I did with this thing right here in the middle. And it's gonna have a lot here too. Right here. Where did this? Right here, huh?
What?
Right here.
Yep,
This
rod's
one
gonna
right
go
here.
in.
Mhm. This is gonna be a lot easier to put the screw. There's nothing in the way. Oh, just three minutes. I just wanna see if all of them got water. See? Yeah, watering my plant. My hanging plant. Just for 3 minutes. I just wanna see if it's watering correctly. I don't want them dying. See all this bolt? That was the hard one to do it on the other side. How many bolt, honey? 8?
Yep.
8 bolt on the other side. That's the hard part on the other side because you don't have enough room to, you know, there's no room to work on it. At least this one is in open area. It'll be a lot easier. See, you just drop it, but on the other side you can't really see.
Right.
It's off now. It's off. It's off now. It's only 3 minutes. It's off now.
Getting wet, get off.
It's off now. It's off. I just try it. I want to see if actually watering, because it's watering is 6 o'clock in the morning and I'm not able to see it. The automatic watering. We're putting the screw, guys.
Bolts.
The bolts. Wow, that's the one. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video, guys. I'm gonna help my husband. I'm gonna put that in first before I help you. That's the one I need. I need to help him out.
Going down to it?
I think so. Let me see.
This way.
Let me see. It's getting dark. Yeah, that one's going down. Yeah. Yep. Last one. Yep. Okay, you need some help? I'm gonna stop this video, guys. I helped my husband this little thing. Where was it, honey?
So what was it?
This little bolt right here. It has to be lined up on that cup right here. See, at least that one's pretty easy, huh? Because you can see the bolt. The other side, you can't see anything. I'm pretending, guys, that I know what I'm doing, but I really don't.
Push rods.
I'm a mechanic now, honey.
You're a professional mechanic.
100% lie.
I feel like it's catching, like not on it right. Can't see it. It looks like it's on it right.
Does it move? That hop up the engine, honey, it looks brand new. You bought it brand new. You cleaned it up really, really good. Look at that. Look how clean is that. It used to be black. See how clean is that? It looks brand new now. It's almost 8 o'clock in here, guys.
It's almost 8 o'clock.
Yep.
Dinner yet.
Okay. You want me to make you
We
dinner?
haven't eaten
What would you
anything
like
today.
for dinner?
No, food.
Soup in sandwich?
Yeah.
I don't have a tomato though. You want onions?
Very little bit.
Huh?
Very little bit.
I don't have tomatoes.
It's okay.
Okay. But we have lettuce in half. I'll make you some sandwich and soup. You want some soup? The ramen soup? Okay. Okay, after this, you have to stop. Put the stuff away together for right now. We'll deal with this tomorrow.
It's catching it.
At least you can see where the bolt is.
Okay, guess it's catching it.
The other side, you can't see it. Cannot see anything at all. It's so hard back there, guys. See? There's a lot of guts there. You can't really see it when you put the bolt. But here, it's in the front, so you can actually see it.
Okay, now we're gonna get it to come down.
I'll call the Xfinity tomorrow. I didn't get a chance to call him today. I'm gonna buy one tires maybe on this car.
Why?
Because the back is flat.
Well, we just go over here. It's been sitting around for a long time. Go
Oh.
here and then once it's going, it should be fine. Also a good tread on it.
Okay. Enough? Do that tomorrow? Okay. Bye guys.